Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a very quick video here. I'm going to be replacing my cabin filter on the 2008 Lexus ES350. In this particular vehicle, the cabin filter is located right here in the glove compartment all the way in the back. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you open the glove compartment, it's pretty straightforward. It's all the way in the back here, right here, this cover. I don't know how much you can see, but it's a bit dark. We gotta remove this cover. So you gently just pry it off. That's the first cover. Second cover is the white cover here for the filter housing. This thing's got two tabs, one on each side. So start with one of them first. And then the second one on the other side. That's it. The white part we're looking at right now, that's the filter itself. Just grab it gently and pull it out. Well, I'm very glad I'm replacing this filter because it's pretty much disgusting. And honestly, it hasn't been that long. I think it's been like a year, maybe slightly over a year. Anyway, time to put in the new one. So here's my new filter. I got one of these filters now that everybody's lately purchasing with the charcoal in the back. So this is the filter, and the way it works is usually these charcoal ones, usually filters will give you an arrow which way the air flows. But with these charcoal ones, I think it's almost like common sense. The charcoal always goes on the bottom, or whichever way the air flows. So in my case, the air comes down. So this is the upper portion, the inlet, and this is the outlet. That's how it's considered. Anyway, let's put this back in. Alright, so we're just going to slide it in all the way. Take this back, put this back, the cabin filter cover. What needs to happen is these tabs need to go in here into these two holes in here. I don't know if you can see, but there's one on each side. Put them in this gently. You're gonna hear a slight click. It's done. Now you take the other cover that was in there initially, and this one has these tabs. That's the bottom portion. So what you do is you put the tabs in first and then push on top. And also has these side tabs in here. That's what needs to lock in both sides. So the bottom tabs are in right now. I'm just going to snap in the sides. One is in. Just kind of bend it a little bit. It's in. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing.